Hello YouTube, this is my new digital camera. A digital camera, you might ask? Yes, this thing is really 100% digital. It looks 100% analog, but that's because I took an analog camera and converted it to a digital one. Not convinced? Let's see. Digital, 100%. And it was easy too. It only took, I think, half an hour to fit all this together, and it works. Just switch it on like so, and then take a picture. That's it. Easy. Inside there is an action cam. An added benefit of using a action cam is, if you go to the back, just open it up like the normal camera would be opened. Yeah, so these are the things I just put in like that. Of course I can make a better bracket, and I will do so, but just to show you guys how easy it is. Here you can just go back to the pictures. See, you can see here all the pictures that were taken. You have all the normal functionalities of action cam, so that makes it very easy to work with. And other nice thing is, if you're taking the pictures with this camera, here is a little red window. If I focus on this, you will see my hand. Yeah, there it is. So actually, although it looks completely analog, you can focus with the help of this little screen at the back. Most 120 cameras have a little red screen at the back. Another option is just to look here through the little window. Also works fine. Everything lines up because the lens and the window are almost in the same position. Yeah, it was really easy to make a digital camera from this camera. Now, how did I exactly do this? Well, it's super easy. You first find a camera that looks okay, but is in very bad condition. I took just everything out. I took the bellows out because there was a camera here with there was a camera with bellows, then a little lens you just saw, and a little lens board here to attach the lens to. I took everything out. And then I didn't do anything else. I just put in this action cam. So the only thing you need to look out for is that if you put in action cam, that this little gate clears, of course, the front side of the action camera, so it can close in a normal fashion. If it won't close, you also can cut out a bit of the back to give it more space. Now you might ask, how can I take pictures with this button? Yeah, I just cheated a bit because I'm still working on this camera. What I use actually is an action cam that uses a button. So you can actuate the camera with a button to take a picture. So what I'm going to do is, for now, I place it in here, so when I shut it, I have a little button right there, and I've got a digital camera. What did I do? I set it to black and white, which was very easy to do. And yeah, gives me the feeling I'm really busy with an analog camera, but actually it's a fully digital camera with even a little small screen that I can use to look at my pictures before I take them, or I can use this. I know, you can buy a much better camera now, new, which is digital and looks old, but this thing really is old. It really has lived. You can see scratches here and there. You can see the beautiful fake or real leather, I don't know. Here you can see Stuttgart, made in Germany, size icon. You know, this camera has so much things going for it. I really didn't want to throw it away, so I made it into the digital one. And I'm very happy with it because I like the touch and feel of old cameras, analog cameras, and also I like the fact that there's no screen. That even more gives you the feeling that you're taking pictures with just an analog camera. I think this kind of thing is the perfect combination between analog and digital. Okay, that's it. Please like and subscribe. Can make many more of these videos. Bye bye.